So in this video I am going to tell you how to use Netflix Activate TV code on your smart TV. So first of all you need to go to your TV and then you need to open this Netflix app. So you must update this app to launch it so you can update it. Make sure to update your app to the latest version. Update this app, click on update. So you can see application has been successfully updated. So let me launch it now. So after opening it I need to click on sign in or get it started. So let me click on sign in because I have already signed up an account on it. So I need to now confirm this code on my phone or tablet. I need to enter this code or I need to visit this website to need a help. So I can scan it or click on netflix.com/tv2. So in my PC I will enter the URL netflix.com/tv2 which is showing in my television. So I will enter the code here which is showing my TV, and after entering the code I will click on continue option and just tap on this continue option, and after that next page will open up wherein you need to log in. After that you need to sign up and complete the sign up process and verify your email. Go to email ID and verify the email ID, which I have already done. You can choose a plan for Netflix if you do not have a plan, and then you can go to your TV and see how it is showing. So you can see it is corrected. Just click on continue option. So yeah, from here onward you can set up the payment and continue with this thing. So make the payment and if you have an account you can set up the account. So it is now connected. So here you can also see sign out option is showing here. So it means it is signed in. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it and you will be able to log into your Netflix account. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.